I wasn't really quite sure what path I wanted to go down, but I knew it was something creative. So I thought media was, the perfect place to give me a good range of options, really. My name's Elsie, and I'm studying media at Edge Hill University. I chose Edge Hill University foremost, I'd say, for the campus. I remember being really impressed with it when I visited on open days. Everything was easy access, the library was 2 minutes away, and so were my lectures. Edge Hill has definitely helped me improve my confidence. I'd consider myself quite a shy person, but I do end up speaking up quite a bit in lectures, just because the environment's really nice, and I never feel judged or anything like that. What surprised me most about my course was, there's a good range of practical and theoretical elements. I knew that I'd be learning a lot of things, but I didn't realise how much they could apply to the things that I enjoyed. My favourite part about Creative Edge and the Building My Rise study is the Mac suites. We've had lots of tutorials on how to use Photoshop, on how to use video editing softwares in there. They've got a whole TV studio and a radio studio as well that you can go into, and we've been taught how to use all the cameras and all the microphones, and they've got some really good facilities in there. I've actually got a work placement at the moment. I'm running the social media for a local cafe, and that's really helped cement in my mind that I do want to go into marketing. The teaching staff at Edge Hill are genuinely really nice people. I really like going to lectures. They're always very kind, and they're always free for a meeting if I need support in any way. I'd recommend Edge Hill because of the things that it's taught me, really. I feel like I can go into any field with all these different skills, it's a good environment. The people are just genuinely really nice to be around.